Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Lara from Katseye with this monster height look and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it black and put on this hairstyle from the petal update, and then you're going to make it half front and remove all the flowers and color it black. And then you're going to do adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and put on this horn. This is from the VIP room. You can color it with this color. And then you can put on this necklace, make it the gold color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this jeans area and I'm going to put on this jeans. And we're going to remove the flower. And then we're going to color it with this color, okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. And I'm going to change the texture to royal. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this skirt. Then we're going to make it black. And go to the dressing room. Then I'm going to go to this menu. And I'm going to put on this skirt. Choose only skirt and then you're going to make it black. Like this. Just make it black for all the selection. And then you're going to go to the Valentine's update and put on this bracelet. You're going to color it with this color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it black. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the world culture update. Then put on the set from India. This one. And then we're going to color it with this color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it gray. See this gray color. And then we're going to move to the next area. I'm going to select this boots and I'm going to make it ankle length and I'm going to make it, I'm gonna make it this color. Okay, this is for the color code, done. And I'm going to move to this top area and put on this top. And for this top, I'm going to make it this color. This is for the color code. The same color I have applied to the jeans and also the top. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room and we need this jellyfish skirt and I'm going to make it black. Okay, and I need this accessory as well and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, make it this color for the first section until the third section. Okay, done. And then let me go back and then I'm going to put on the skirt from the summer update. And then we're going to make it all black. Okay, now it's done guys and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Lara from Katseye with this monster high look and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!